Hi everybody, and welcome to your Bootcamp Basics. We are going to spend the next 10 or 15 minutes getting used to the movements that you're going to see in most bootcamp environments. So let's take a little bit of time, get warmed up, and explore these bootcamp basics. So I want you to start with just a simple march, just right here. Number one thing, we're going to stand tall. We're going to stand strong. We're going to strive to not lose that tall posture. Bring it up a little higher in those knees. And let it come a little smaller again. Dropping your hands down, rolling your shoulders back. Bringing those shoulders forward. And then dropping it down. And once again, resetting to that tall posture. Knees up a little higher. Good, make it a little smaller again. We want to warm up the back side of our body. So I want you to think about putting a heel forward and then hinging at the hips. Stand tall again. Heel forward, hinge, and stand tall. You may feel a nice gentle stretch through the back side of the leg when you do this. And now we're going to make it a little bigger. I want you to reach and bring it around to reach again. And after this one, we're going to come right back to that march. Higher. Every time we lift the knee, we're going to think about our chest being a little prouder. Smaller and quicker. Good. All right, loosen everything up. We're going to focus on 5 elements of a boot camp today. I'm going to give you 30 seconds where we will go through that movement. Then you're going to have 30 seconds of recovery time. We're going to go through the whole thing twice, just to make sure you've got everything locked and loaded to join us for all these amazing boot camps that we're going to do together. So I want you to start by bringing your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Not too narrow, not too wide. This is a squat. This means that our hips, knees, and ankles are all going to work together to lower our hips down closer to the ground, okay? In 10 seconds, you and I are gonna practice these together. So get ready, stand tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, time to squat right here. Now, everyone's range of motion will look very different. The main thing we're focusing on is that our hips shoot back behind us and the whole foot pushes to come up out of that squat. So don't let yourself come forward onto those toes. Your whole foot is involved in that stand up process. And guess what? Just like that, your first interval is complete. The next one is a push-up. You can do this from a wall, or you can do this from the ground on your knees or your toes. That is completely up to you. I want your hands to be just wider than your shoulders, and they're gonna be nice and strong on the floor. Right here, on your knees, bring those toes onto the ground. Hold a nice strong back because we're gonna do push-ups. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Important things to note here are that you're not leading with your nose. If your nose is the first thing to hit the ground, I need you to think about pushing forward and looking ahead of your hands, because we want the chest to lead this movement, not the nose. Stay with us for 3, 2, 1. Give that a shake. 2 elements down. Number 3 is the lunge. you're going to go into a back lunge. So we're gonna step back, lower our back knee towards the ground, and then come forward again. This is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna come with me in 10 seconds. But first, reset. Proud chest, tall spine, lunges in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Sink it back, bring it forward. Now again, everyone's range of motion looks really different here. What I'm looking for today is that both my feet, my back and my front leg, are pushing through the floor evenly. So I'm not letting my front leg do the work, and I'm not letting my back leg do the work. Even drop for 3, 2, 1. Shake that out. Okay, we gotta get back down on the ground for a tall plank. This is element number 4. This means that we are going to be stabilizing our whole body in a plank position. Straight line from the top of our head all the way out to our feet. So I need you to come right here with me. Palms on the ground, knees on the ground, hips push forward. Join me right here. Now this should look a little different than a tabletop position. The difference being when I bring my knees back here, my core is engaged. My lower abdominals are helping support my hips. Now, if you're feeling pretty comfortable here, you can lift those toes. Either or. This is your tall plank for 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Okay, now the final element of today's boot camp basics is reaction training and fast feet. That means our heart rate's gonna get up, but I'm gonna yell freeze, and you need to stop what you're doing immediately and then get right back into it. It looks like this. Fast feet are right here. Go as fast as you can. When I say freeze, go. Freeze, go as fast as you can. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Fast feet. Freeze. Fast feet. Freeze. Fast feet. Freeze. Fast feet. Freeze. You got it. Fast feet. Come on. Freeze. Fast feet again. Go, go, go. Freeze. Fast feet. Freeze. Come on, fast feet again. Let's go, let's go. Fast feet for 3, 2, 1. Rest. Okay, shake everything out. That's our elements. Let's go through that one more time, just to make sure we've really got it locked in, because those are your boot camp basics. So take another 15 seconds here. I know, 15 seconds, she said. That's right. We're gonna go through this one more time. Back to that squat. Reset, regain your breath, get those feet wider than hip width, and join me for a squat. Here we go. Push down, drive up. Now remember, my whole foot is pushing back through that floor. I'm not allowing myself to cave forward. That's an exaggeration, but I want you to think about pushing behind you. You've got 10 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, shake that out. Push-ups are next. Like I said, these can be done on a wall just as much as they can on the floor, okay? Come on down here. Hands are gonna be just outside the shoulders, and you're leading with your chest, not your nose. So join me in this position. Anchor in those toes. Hips are strong. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Push up through the palms and lower yourself down. Again, making sure that you're not sort of escaping to a tabletop. I want you to bring your knees back so that you're in that strong plank position. And yes, it is harder when you're not in that tabletop. Rest. Shake that out. Come on back up here. Lunges next. We're gonna do those alternating lunges one more time. I want you to not let your fatigue show. We're gonna work through it and stay strong. But you've got 10 seconds, so shake it off. 30 seconds of lunges in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Now, like I said, even weight between the back and the front leg. Not making that front leg do all of the work. We're sharing the work. 10 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Shake it out. Plank is next. So we're going back down on those hands. Unless you feel you want to try this against a wall, once again, this works, right? So choose your adventure for this one. We're either down on the ground in this plank position, or you're up against a wall. We got 10 seconds. Do me a favor, roll those shoulders back, find that strong positioning, because it's time in 3, 2, 1, right here. Now remember those options. If this is feeling fairly stable for you, come up to the toes. Bring it right here. Another little trick, the wider your feet, the stronger or the more stable you will feel. If your feet are in here, this makes it tougher. So find a place that's comfortable. For 3, 2, 1. That means there's only one interval left. This is the part where we go fast and we have reaction training. You hear my voice say freeze, you freeze. You ready for this last round? Got 10 seconds till we get going. And then I need you to go as fast as you can for this final round. You ready? Fast feet, freeze. In 3, 2, 1, go. Freeze. Go. Freeze. Go. Freeze. Go. Freeze. Go. You got this. Go faster. Go. Freeze. Go. Freeze. Go. Freeze. Go. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Done. That's it, that's all. Keep those feet moving. Stay right here. Don't let it cave yet. I need you to reset. Stay tall to finish this off. Letting that heart rate come down. Good, start to roll the shoulders back. Bring it forward. Good, and slowly bring those feet to a stop. Put one hand on your hip, reach up overhead, and then add a little twist. Bring that down, switch to the other side. And bring that back, switch one more time. Roll your shoulders back one more time, drop them down, stand proud. Bootcamp Basics is complete. I hope to see you again really soon.